It's a coil swap. So condenser coil. The first guys that came out was another company, and they found a leak. At a pretty common spot. It was one of these straighter coils, and they're like those bike valves on the other bike tire. So they found one of these leaking. They swapped it out. It leaked out all again the next day. We ended up pressure testing and finding another leak on the coil. It goes here in this corner. We had bubble tested and found a leak right there. After we pressure tested, we throw bubbles and it reacted. So today we're gonna dismantle this whole thing, take the top off, take the doors off, take the sides off, uninstall the coil, and slap the new one in. Right now we're just gonna take out and recover whatever's left in the system so we can start cutting the coil out.
Leave the face up.
Yeah, you can start taking off all the screws. This piece on this corner piece we're gonna have to leave on. But these sides you can take off.
Hot day, South Texas, sun burning up the block. Thermostat climbing higher, sweat dripping off the clock. Call the crew, we pull up fast. Tool bag in the back, we don't slack. Flip that switch, feel that blast. Cool air rushing through the track.
Pretty awesome, right?
It's gonna be super simple. The only thing holding this to the unit is these two spots right here. So we're gonna just sweat these out. As soon as we got them loose, rip it out, because that side is just held on by, I guess, pressure from the top. We got this whole piece right here. It's loose, right?
Yeah, it's loose over here. It's
just watch out there. Oh, yeah. All right. So we'll just put it up against the wall over there. And then we got new pieces of this. So you're gonna grab that piece there. All right.
You wanna grab this side?
Yeah. All right, hold it right there. I'm gonna need you to put pressure from the top of the coil.
Down?
Yeah. Yeah, just like that. Okay. All right, you ready, dude?
Wrangler AC.